In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your profile picture on TikTok. Okay, so what you need to do once you've opened up TikTok, go to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Once you've done that, you'll see your profile. Now you can go ahead and click on the edit button at the top. And here, if you go to change photo, you can actually upload a photo. There is no button to remove a profile picture, but I'm going to give you a quick little hack. If you go to your web browser and you type in on Google TikTok default profile picture, you'll be able to find this one from Wikimedia Commons or really any related image which looks similar to this. Hold down on it, then go ahead and click Save Image in Photos, or you can take a screenshot of it. Then go back to TikTok, click on Upload Photo, then you'll see it, click on it, click on Save, and then you're essentially going to go back to the default TikTok profile picture. It should be very high quality as well if you get this exact one. You can then go back and refresh, and there you go, you're back to default. So that is the best way that you can get around this. I hope that helped.